Any more from the members? No more. Will now excuse Brigadier General Gigant. Oh, Honorable, I'm sorry,
Yeah, Mr.
Honorable
Chairman,
Lacson.
not to the gentleman seated in front, but Colonel Jacqueline Cloma.
Yes, Brigadier General, you're now excused. Ma'am, please take the seat.
Good morning, ma'am. I guess Corpus is your maiden name. So is your husband a direct descendant of Thomas Cloma?
My husband, sir, happens to be a great grandson
Great
of,
grandson.
yes, sir, but that his mother's mother is cousin of Thomas Cloma, sir.
Yeah. Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes,
and
sir.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Calayan Island Group.
Yes, sir.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, Honorable Marcoleta.
anong pangalan niya? Jackie. Anong, Colonel?
Colonel Cloma.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to the descendant of Mr. Thomas Cloma?
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered the what? Calayan Island Group or
Calayan
the
Island Group.
Spratlys? Was that supported by reliable accounts, Colonel?
Sir, before I will speak, sir, I'd just like to make a disclaimer that my statement will not reflect of my organization. So this will be my personal account, sir, and based on the um, stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir. So
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. I'm talking about historical accounts, if they are very viable, that the great ancestor of your husband was the one who discovered the Calayan Island Group. Is
um,
this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you
Um,
know? Did you know, Madam, that or Colonel, that when Mr. Thomas Cloma made a Freedom Declaration in 1956, several countries objected because, well, several countries like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
Based on my reading, sir, I only read countries like Vietnam, China, and France.
Yes. Did you
And
know that these countries objected to his declaration?
yes, sir.
And there is a common ground, Colonel, why they objected. Do you know what the ground is?
May you please enlighten me, sir, on that?
Yes, because according to the objectors, Kalayaan Island Group at that time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's silent, sir.
it is not unoccupied and it was not undiscovered. Kaya po, Colonel, pati ang ating bansa vigorously objected. And that is why it is not correct to assume that he dis he discovered it, because several other discoverers prior to his time. Do you know that in 1837 the United Kingdom already made a notification claim? Did you know that, madam? And in 1933, the Japanese or Japan also made the same notice of claim, 1933. Prior to the declaration of Mr. Thomas Cloma in 1956, Japan already made a notice of claim. Meaning, marami na po talaga ang nakadiscover ng Kalayaan Island Group. So, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-donate dahil inobjekan po ng ating bansa mismo. Do you know the representative of the Philippine government at that time when the objection was made? Alam po ninyo? He was then the Secretary of Foreign Affairs who became president of this country. So hindi po talaga pwede na siya yung nag-discover, madam, on those grounds. And it is not correct that earlier it was reflected in the minutes of this commission, that President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. formalized it in Presidential Decree 1596. There is no record attesting to that. And there is no record also, Mr. Chair, that his donation was formalized by the arbitral ruling. That is not on record, Colonel, Mr. Chair. Just for the record, thank you very much.
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Honorable Marcoleta.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Honorable Lacson is
Colonel
recognized.
Cloma, what is the difference between discovery and occupation? Is there a difference? You may discover an island, but if you don't occupy it, then you don't occupy it. So can you tell us the basic difference between discovery per se
Yes.
and discovery and occupation?
So based on my apprehension, sir. So once you discover something, sir, you just learn about it, and then you can just pass by, sir. Yes, sir. That's the term. And once you occupying is a different thing, sir, because you spend a lot of a time, a certain period of time in that certain area. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Lacson. Any more queries from the members? Eh, We may now excuse Colonel Cloma, Jacqueline Cloma.
I will, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.